What's up, guys? So I'm going to show y'all how to use this Milwaukee M18 Inflator. I got a little bit of a low tire here today. So first, this is your on button. Press that. Your LCD is going to light up. To preset the PSI that you want, use the positive button. Set it to your needed PSI. So we're set at 35. Right now we're at 0. So from the back, we're going to undo the inflator nozzle. And this is a threaded, so you can thread it right onto your valve stem. Then you can see your current PSI. So right now we're at 28.5. I'm going to turn this 35 down just a little bit. We're going to go about 32. And once you're set on what you want and you have your nozzle on your valve stem, then press this button. Once it reaches that set PSI, it automatically turns off. It overfilled by 1 PSI, but that's accurate enough for me. I believe this goes up to 150 PSI, something like that. So even on your big trucks, you could use this. Obviously, it would take a lot longer to air them up, but doesn't drain much battery. You can see we got full bars here, and I've used this a couple of times on the same battery. Take that off. But yeah, that's how you use the M18 Milwaukee Inflator.